This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get an easy home screen on your Android phone. So you can see all the different icons are very big, and you can see the button screen for the quick settings, and then we have this front page where we have our different apps. We have messages, contacts, phone. So it's pretty easy just to use your most popular apps. So this is called Easy Home Screen in the Google Play Store. This is what it looks like, and I'll show you how to get that in a second here. So on my Android phone, it runs okay. On my Samsung A16, it's a little slow on the low-end phone. But to go ahead and get this, just simply go to the Google Play Store. So let me find the Google Play Store under this list, otherwise I'll have to go up to search. So here's the Google Play Store. And if we go back here, and then we go to apps, it's currently the second most popular app. So it's called Easy Home Screen. So it must be pretty popular if a lot of people are using this right now. So it's got it's got a lot of reviews. So we can just download this, install it, and open this up. And then you got to switch the UI to the Easy Home Screen. It'll guide you through the setup for that, but very easy to use. This is what it looks like, and then you can just tap on this, go to internet. Check this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.